Hello, I'm Anna. Well, the holidays are here again, and our thoughts turn to entertaining and holiday preparations. Maybe you're even considering throwing a party for friends and relatives, and you want to make it a really memorable experience that will be talked about for years to come for all the right reasons. While the menu you choose for your party does play a role in its success, there are 7 other elements to keep in mind for throwing a really unforgettable holiday gathering. The front door and entryway are the first things your guests will see, so these set the tone for the party. A beautiful wreath, a swag, or other holiday decor on the front door is a festive way to greet guests. Ideally, your choices should complement the holiday decor you have in the rest of your house. If you have a large entryway, you have lots of options for decor. You can put garland on the staircase, you can have groupings of seasonal flowers such as poinsettias or amaryllis, or even a Christmas tree. If you have a smaller space, you can arrange a simple holiday vignette on the entryway table using assorted Christmas ornaments, greenery, and a scented candle. Using natural elements in your holiday decor is the easiest, least expensive, and most elegant way to decorate. Pretty vessels filled with nuts, with seasonal fruit, or with pine cones and greenery give a nostalgic feel to your decor and make us think of bygone days when Christmas decorations were handmade with everyday items gathered from nature. Another benefit to using natural elements for your decor is having less things to store at the end of the holiday season. If you want to use pine cones, branches, or dried flowers, but you're not into the rustic look, remember that you can always use gold or silver spray paint to add some glamour to these items. Nothing will make your guests feel more special and appreciated than sitting down to a pretty table. A simple tablecloth or pretty placemats make a good foundation for your tablescape. If you have seasonal dinnerware, this is the time to use it. Transferware plates in any color and pattern always look elegant. Add a simple floral centerpiece or small bud vase with greenery at each place setting. If you're feeling really creative, you can also include tea lights, fairy lights, or ornaments in your tablescape. Adding festive touches to the rooms where you'll be entertaining will delight your guests. This can be as simple as adding ribbon and evergreen sprigs to picture frames, to wall sconces, you can hang them from chandeliers, tie ribbons around busts, or even hang a sprig of evergreen and ribbon to the back of each chair. Another simple but elegant way to decorate is by filling bowls and glass containers with Christmas ornaments. Tabletop trees are also a great way to add a festive feel to any room. These trees take up little space and can be quickly set up on a side table, on a plant stand, or on a buffet. Also, you only need a few ornaments to make these a focal point in the room. The lighting sources you choose will dictate the ambiance for your gathering. This is the time to dim overhead lights and set up pockets of warm, inviting light throughout your home. You can get creative with candles and string lights to give a magical glow to your rooms. Pillar candles and taper candles look great on their own, but can also be combined with natural elements and Christmas ornaments for a more festive feel. Of course, if you have small children or pets and you don't feel comfortable using real candles, there are some realistic flameless options to choose from. If you're lucky enough to have a fireplace, by all means, light it. Nothing sets a warmer, more welcoming atmosphere than a lit fireplace, and guests always seem to gravitate to a room with a fireplace. If you have a wood-burning fireplace instead of a gas or electric one, enlist the help of a family member to monitor the fire and replenish the logs when needed. Find a buffet, a console table, or a sideboard where you can set up a beverage station so your guests can help themselves and allow you to focus on other hosting tasks. Even a bar cart will work if you're hosting a smaller group. I like to offer a selection of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages such as several wine choices, flavored waters, soft drinks, and craft beers. You can also offer a seasonal drink such as eggnog or mulled wine to make the occasion extra festive. Playing soft background music will add to the mood and energy of your gathering. Since music tastes are subjective, I prefer to play instrumental music since I find it less intrusive than music with lyrics. There are numerous playlists on YouTube of jazz and piano versions of popular holiday songs for you to explore. Just remember to keep the volume of the music low enough so that your guests can still carry on a conversation comfortably. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.